Have you ever wondered why some people leave an unforgettable mark on you, sticking in your mind like your favorite song? It's not magic or luck, it's a carefully crafted art. Today, we're diving deep into the psychology of attraction, the power of connection, and the secrets of leaving a lasting impression. It's time to transform yourself into a magnetic personality. Let's get started. Chapter 1, The Intrigue Factor. 1.1 The Power of Mystery. Imagine yourself as a captivating enigma. Curiosity is a powerful force. People are drawn to the unknown and the mysterious. By giving them glimpses of your world and passions, but always leaving them craving more, you create anticipation. This makes people eager to explore further. It's like a tantalizing puzzle, you offer a piece, but the full picture remains elusive. This doesn't mean being secretive, but creating a sense of wonder. Let your audience fill in the blanks with their imagination. 1.2 Building anticipation. One of the most effective ways to build intrigue is to share just enough information to pique interest, but not enough to satisfy it. This keeps people coming back for more. Whether it's through your conversations, social media posts, or even the way you present yourself, always leave a little to the imagination. 1.3 The Art of Subtlety. Subtlety is key. A slight smile, a curious glance, a hint of a story, these small actions can captivate someone's attention. By being subtly intriguing, you draw people in without overwhelming them. It's about finding the right balance between revealing and concealing, allowing people to slowly uncover the layers of your personality. Chapter 2, The Art of Deep Connection. 2.1 Mastering the Art of Listening. True connection is the bedrock of lasting relationships. People yearn to be understood, valued, and seen. Become a master listener by giving your undivided attention and showing genuine interest in their stories. When you listen actively, you demonstrate that you value the other person, which creates a strong emotional bond. 2.2 Sharing vulnerabilities. Share your own vulnerabilities, but do so with intention. Vulnerability builds trust, but oversharing can create distance. By sharing your struggles and fears, you show that you are human and relatable. This openness encourages others to open up as well, deepening the connection. 2.3 The Power of Empathy. Empathy is your secret weapon. When you truly understand someone's perspective, it creates a bond that's hard to break. By putting yourself in someone else's shoes and responding with kindness and understanding, you build a connection that is both deep and lasting. Remember, people don't just remember what you say, they remember how you made them feel. Chapter 3, Unleash Your Inner Confidence. 3.1 The Beacon of Confidence. Confidence is like a beacon, drawing people in. It's not about arrogance, it's about self-assurance and belief in your abilities. Stand tall, speak with conviction, and let your personality shine. People are naturally attracted to positive energy. 3.2 Embrace your uniqueness. Embrace your quirks, passions, and dreams. When you own your uniqueness, it becomes infectious. Authenticity is incredibly attractive. The more comfortable you are in your own skin, the more captivating you'll be. It's not about perfection, it's about being genuine. 3.3 Radiating positive energy. Positive energy is magnetic. When you approach life with enthusiasm and optimism, people are drawn to you. Focus on the positive aspects of your life and share that positivity with others. This doesn't mean ignoring challenges, but rather maintaining a hopeful outlook even in difficult times. Chapter 4, The Science of Memorability. 4.1 Creating Memorable Experiences. Why do certain people stick in our minds? It's not always about looks or charm, it's about creating memorable experiences. Surprise people with unexpected acts of kindness, make them laugh with your wit, or offer unique perspectives. The brain loves novelty, so introduce new and exciting experiences into your interactions. 4.2 The Power of Scarcity. Scarcity can heighten interest. Don't be overly available. A little mystery and exclusivity can make you more desirable. When you're not always accessible, it creates a sense of value and anticipation. People will look forward to spending time with you and will appreciate those moments more. 4.3 Quality over quantity. It's about quality over quantity. A few unforgettable moments can leave a lasting impression. Whether it's a deep conversation, a shared adventure, or a thoughtful gesture, focus on creating meaningful and impactful experiences. These are the moments that people will remember and cherish. Chapter 5, Your Digital Footprint. 5.1 Authenticity online. Your online presence is a powerful extension of your personality. Be consistent, authentic, and engaging. Share your passions, values, and unique perspective. Your online persona should be a reflection of the real you, amplified. 5.2 Building an engaged community. Interact with your audience, respond to comments, and build a community. It's not about the number of followers, it's about the quality of connections. Use your digital platforms to showcase your expertise, share valuable content, and inspire others. Engage in meaningful conversations and be genuinely interested in your followers. 5.3 Consistency is key. Consistency is crucial. Regularly update your content, stay true to your message, and maintain a cohesive online presence. This helps build trust and reliability, making you a dependable and memorable figure in your audience's eyes. Chapter 6, Be Authentically You, Amplified. 6.1 Embrace your true self. Authenticity is the most irresistible quality. Embrace your quirks, passions, and imperfections. People gravitate towards genuine individuals. When you're true to yourself, it shines through. Love yourself, celebrate your differences, and let your unique flavor shine. 6.2 Celebrating uniqueness. Celebrate what makes you different. Your individuality is your greatest asset. By highlighting your unique qualities and sharing them with the world, you create a strong and lasting impression. Remember, it's not about fitting in, it's about standing out. 6.3 Self-love and confidence. Self-love and confidence go hand in hand. When you love and accept yourself, it shows in your interactions with others. Confidence comes from within, and when you believe in yourself, others will too. Embrace your journey, acknowledge your strengths, and be proud of who you are. Conclusion. By mastering the art of intrigue, building deep connections, unleashing your confidence, creating memorable experiences, and cultivating a strong digital presence, you'll become a magnetic force. Remember, it's not about changing who you are, but about enhancing your natural charm. You have the potential to leave a lasting impression. Now go out there and shine. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome tips. See you in the next one.